Honda Jazz air filter change. There is a couple of choices, so yours might have a different one to this, but on this one, it's this one. Fram CA1233. That's the number for this air filter. Your hand. That's it. This is possibly the easiest air filter in the world. Here we go. Got 4 clips, one there, one there, one there, one there. That's it. And then you lift up and towards you. So up, towards you. Gets the cover off. You lift the air filter up and towards you to get it out. Wah! And then you get your new filter out. Don't get grubby paws on it. And you reinsert that new air filter in the same way. So that's it. And then with the thingy that goes on the thingy, you slide it at a slight angle into the little hole there, onto the lip, hear it click, as you go pop, pop, that one's tight, pop, and pop. And you've just successfully changed your air filter on your Honda Jazz. Thanks for watching.